Struggling to manifest wealth, health, or unstoppable motivation? What if ancient secrets could rewire your mind automatically, just by listening? First mantra is for wealth attraction. This vibration attracts prosperity. Play daily. Watch opportunities flow effortlessly.
Om Sri Mahalakshmi Swaha. Om Sri Mahalakshmi Swaha. Om Sri Mahalakshmi Swaha.
Second mantra is for health restoration. Ancient sages used this for vitality. Energy strengthens, health renews from within.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Third mantra is for motivation ignition. Obstacles dissolve, inner drive awakens, action becomes unstoppable.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
These mantras work subconsciously. No chanting needed. Vibrations shift your reality. Listen every morning. Comment mantra power if you felt the shift.